A very good morning to all of you. A warm welcome to English class. In today's class, we will study fixing words or articles. Articles, the words a, an and the are known as articles. Kinds of articles, definite articles or indefinite articles. Definite article. Article the is definite article. Article a and an are indefinite articles. Article a and an are used with singular countable nouns. We use article a before words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a tree, a book, a cake, a man, a bag, a cat, etc. Article an is used before words beginning with a vowel sound. Vowels 5 we have A, E, I, O, U. 26 letters of alphabets are there. 5 vowels are there and rest 21 are consonants. T, B, C, M, D, C. These are consonants. U, A, O, E. These are vowels. Accordingly, we are using article a and an. Article the. It is definite article used with specific particular person or thing. The sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, the Ganges river. Next, we will study worksheet 1. Now, students, you studied use of article a and an and article the. Now, a box, an ant, a coconut, an orange, a dress, an ink pot, a boy, a book, an assistant, an elephant, a child, an X, an eye, a water, an owl, a building, an uncle, a wallop. In these all blanks, in this assignment, students, wherever the word was starting with, the word is starting with consonant, you are using article A. But when the word is starting with vowel, we are using article an. A box, an ant, a coconut, an orange, a dress, an ink pot, a book, a boy, an assistant, an elephant, a child, an X, an eye, a water, an owl, a building, an uncle, and last one is a bulb. Now students, in worksheet 2, here you will learn mostly new rules about article the. Article a and an. I enjoyed the new movie very much. The movie which you have, this is particular movie. We went to a forest near Bhopal. It is a forest. Nishu read an interesting story yesterday. Interesting. Here vowel is there. Prashant is one of the best students of the class. Best, good, better, best. Best is superlative degree here. With superlative degree, we use article the. Rohan gifted his sister an umbrella on her birthday. Umbrella as it is starting with vowel sound, so you will use article an. My niece has a puppet. The puppet dances when she touches it. Students, when we repeat something which is mentioned already in the sentence, then we use article the. A puppet. Now you can see we have already mentioned it and second time we are talking about it. So you can easily use article the. The teacher told us that history is an important subject. Now here again important is starting with vowel sound. The Nehru Planetarium is a great source of knowledge. And capital in Nehru, this is specific thing. a great source of knowledge. You must be knowing what is a planetarium. So it is artificial sky structured building. Art means sky. Artificial sky will be visible. It is of educative purpose. Means students or people they study about planets. Last evening, I happened to see I capital always. Now we don't write small I. An elephant. The elephant had huge ears. These bubbles are there. Would you like to eat an apple or a banana? Now apple, vowel sound, vowel, banana consonant. Vinay has an uncle who is a scientist. You can see it's interesting. The wedding ceremony of my brother went off nicely. So particular thing we are talking about here. Next students, do it yourself. Next exercise we have. Karan went to a zoo last weekend. It has It was hot, so he took an umbrella bobble along. He purchased a ticket, single ticket, and went inside a zoo. The first animal he saw was an elephant, bobble, so article N. It was huge and was holding a sugarcane, single so sugarcane in its trunk. In the next case, now particular case we are talking about was a gorilla enjoying some bananas to beat the scorching heat. The scorching heat. Karan thought of buying the ice cream. The ice cream here. He went to the ice cream vendor. We are repeating here specific thing and here repetition. So article the and asked for an orange candy. Next, some more examples. He took out a 10 rupee single note, a 10 rupee note from his pocket and paid for an ice cream. He went on to see more animals. He saw a lion, consonant, a pair of tigers, and even a giraffe. He enjoyed the day thoroughly and reached back home late in the evening. So this is then after this. One more exercise we have. This exercise is at page 47. Read the story and fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. The elephant's teeth. So once upon a time, in a forest near Allahabad, there lived a mouse, single mouse. It was hungry and happened to find a small hut. Small nut. What the mouse was unable. Now the we are using the same mouse. We are repeating again, talking about the second time. Then we use article the. Was unable to eat or bite, bit, bitten. Second form we will use, so bit it is. To bit the nut as it was too hard to cut into two. To cut into two. TWO2 and TWO2. The mouse, now same mouse, we are repeating again, then the article you can use, was sad and prayed to God. Oh God, what plight I am faced with. My teeth are so small and I cannot even have a food. I got. Immediately, God replied back to the mouse, my dear mouse, I made you as I made other animals and I love you. Go and see the teeth of other animals. The teeth means particular thing. I will give you whichever kind of teeth you like. So the mouse set out looking at the teeth of many animals, but it did not like any. Finally, it saw an elephant and was amazed at the elephant's long white tusk. The little mouse asked the elephant whether it liked its long teeth. The elephant replied, "My friend, these tusks which you see are just for show. I cannot use them to chew the food as you can. Besides, I have to wear the bait of the teeth at all the time." Hearing this, the mouse thanked God for giving him the teeth he had. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.